I don't know how this happened, but I am somehow cool enough to have a contact at Instagram now, and they send me rundowns of like all of the new features that come out. So I'm going to give you exactly what they gave me. The first thing is that you'll be able to figure out what is trending on Instagram Reels with the topics and the hashtags and the sounds. And this right here is an example of what that will look like. There's also going to be updates to Instagram Reels insights. Obviously, as you guys know right now, on Instagram, we don't really have a lot of really great insights compared to TikTok, where we can see how long people are watching and what the average watch times are. And honestly, I feel like that's some of the most important information for you to have, because if you have longer watch times, you know that people like that video and you can create more like that, right? Instagram will have total watch time and average watch time for Reels as two new stats that you'll actually be able to see. And it's going to be easier to access those stats. As you see here, you can basically just go on to the video and hit view insights, and then it will show you all of the insights, including the two new stats. Instagram Reels also did a complete overhaul of their editing part of Reels. Obviously, we knew that needed some work, so I was really happy to hear in Instagram University that they were going to be making some changes. That is officially here. You'll be able to see it. I think it definitely makes it a lot easier to be like dragging clips and splitting clips and like bringing the music to certain parts of the clip, as well as lining your text up with certain parts of the clip. I definitely don't think it's as robust as TikTok's editor is. Honestly, I still prefer TikTok's, but Instagram Reels, this is like a huge step in the right direction. And as a little bonus, today, Mark Zuckerberg actually announced that you can have up to 5 links in your bio now. And I'll make a whole video about that. But I think these are all a really good step in the right direction for Reels. How do you guys feel? Will you use these?